Here's my new Skunk2 shift knob. Just got it from eBay for like 20 bucks, so hope it's real, but we'll see. I always like their logo. Cool sticker. I'll check the site out. Maybe it is real. Nice. There's a 5-speed and a 6-speed version of this, so we'll see. That's nice and engraved. It's got some good weight. These are adapters. Guess that's it. So there you have it. I'm pretty sure it's fake. The real Skunk2 shift knobs are supposed to be 440 grams. So yeah, this comes in just at 150. And that warranty card really went nowhere.